When you think of Florida agriculture, you think of citrus, cattle, and tomatoes. But Florida has a hidden ag secret. It's a seasonal crop that takes all year to cultivate. Can you guess what it is? I'll give you a hint if you promise not to be a Grinch. I'm talking about Christmas trees. Well, technically these are pine trees, but Christmas trees have been grown commercially since 1850, and today they're grown in every state. Here in Florida, red cedar, sand pine, and Carolina sapphire are popular trees grown for the holiday season. And it takes about 5 years to grow a tree to the preferred height of 6 to 8 feet. The number one rule in picking a tree is size. Trees in the field can look small out in the open, so don't be fooled. You don't want to pick one that's too big for your house, but you also don't want a Charlie Brown Christmas tree. You want to be like Goldilocks and find one that is just right. Keep in mind, the stand will add about another foot to the height. Once you find your tree, check it for freshness. Find a small branch and gently pull through your fingers. If a few needles fall off, that's okay, but more than just a few, find another tree. Unless you want to have a National Lampoon moment, make sure you check your tree for wildlife and insects before you bring it inside. Once you get your tree home, you will want to make a fresh cut about 1/4 of an inch from the bottom just before you put it in the stand. Like other agricultural commodities in Florida, Christmas trees provide environmental benefits like wildlife habitat, clean air, and soil stability. Buying a fresh cut tree in Florida helps to support our local farms and the state's economy. And you get the added benefit of a super fresh tree that will help you and your family celebrate all throughout the season.